If you're a KAS lover, you got into the right place because this video is all about KASPA, a blockchain by itself with amazing technology that is in a bull market of its own since the beginning of the year. Look at this. It just made higher highs all the time. This is the only coin in crypto right now that is next to its all-time high and has been making new all-time highs since the beginning of the year, since ever actually. Look at it, number 211, page 3. It's so underrated, it's so underlooked, underfollowed, nobody's looking at it. Volume only 195, so this has not exploded just yet, even though I assume once we break this last all-time high, this is going to explode heavily. All right, make sure don't miss the next move of KAS, because if you miss the last ones, that's not too good. And just to show you when we started in the community to take a look at KASPA, then here it is right over here. As you can see, March 21st is above this blue line is where we started looking and taking advantage of the KASPA moves. Afterward, this made a pivot above the 18 as well. We bought above the 18, had a huge position into KASPA futures on Maxi, because this was only on Maxi back then, and it went all the way to above 40, above 40, from 14 to 40. What a banger. This was all in our community. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe to this channel and put on the bell notifications, because you don't want to miss what's going to happen next on KASPA. What's going to happen next on KASPA is probably a huge move, and you want to take advantage of it. So hit that bell notification, like, subscribe, and let's go. Let's take a look at the chart and see what we can see now. What is the next trade and how we can take advantage of it. So this is KASPA right now. What a beautiful chart. Look at this. This is the area which I just showed you, all right, on the screenshot of the trade we took in the community. Look at this. Look how far back it was. It was above the 15 and then above the 18 we added. So this was a 170% move in just a week or two. Amazing. And since then we have been building. You know, we actually traded it over here as well, and now it's building just this base. You know, it's an amazing base next to the last all-time highs. Look, we had all-time high here, all-time high here, all-time high here. Then we broke out of this. We traded this again, all-time high here. Then we had, this was a fake out actually, because it wasn't ready. Sometimes assets are not ready to go to new all-time highs, but we continued to build in the base, and now we are nearing that all-time high. And probably the next time we break above the 44, 45-ish level, we are going to explode. That is the probability, not a gamble. That is a probability. So what we're looking at right now is a VCP base, right? A volatility contraction base. This is now the last iteration. As you can see, each contraction, right? And let me iterate. This is the first contraction, right? This is the second contraction over here from peak to trough always, and now the third contraction from this peak to this trough over here. Okay, boom. All right, each one, as you can see, contraction in volatility. This is around, the contraction is around 35%. The second contraction is around half of it, almost 22%, and the last one so far is around 7%. So single digit risk is what we're looking for in order to get into the next trade. So we have a base, all right? First we have a base, all right? Well, actually the first thing is we have an up move, right? So we had an up move here, and now we had a second up move over here from here to here. This was the up move, okay? This is the base. Then we have in the base the VCP behavior, the characteristics, okay? This is the behavior. Now we have the pivot, all right? This is the pivot. The pivot is where we want to take the trade once it breaks out. We have a horizontal-ish, all right, a horizontal-ish resistance over here above the 45-ish area, which should break out above it and continue, well, hopefully to the moon, all right? Hopefully to the moon, or at least to 10 cents for now, to double it and make a lot of money on this position. And you know what you should do? Once this breaks out over here, okay, and you make a fantastic move, all right? leave a runner, okay? Let's say 10% of the profits that you made, leave for a long-term holder, because I think KASPA, and you know what, this is not the first time I'm talking about KASPA. I have been talking about KASPA for months now. You can go in my past videos. I have been talking about KASPA for months now, months, not days, not weeks, months. Since March, okay? And you can see that I've been talking about it bullishly since then. You should from now on, every time you have a successful trade on KASPA and actually any other trade, leave 5 to 10% of your profit for a long-term hold. Why? Because we are in a bull market mentality right now. And in bull market mentality, you want to live a little bit, just a little bit, tiny bit, each time you make a trade as a long-term hodl, because in a few months, a year, maybe a year and a half, this will all pay off. So that is a tactic, all for free. But if you really want to know how I trade, right? Because I know you liked it, I know you subscribed, I know you clicked on the notification bell because you want to make money, right? You're in crypto to make money and you want to get all this fast to make money. But if you're serious, you should invest in yourself. How you should invest in yourself? Well, you need to join our community now and not waste time, right? Click on the link in the description and it will take you to our community. You can say, well, click in the link in the link in the first comment. It will take you to the same page. This is our Patreon page, okay? These are the memberships. Choose any, doesn't matter. Alpha trader, super trader, VIP trader, right? The more you will invest in yourself, the better, because you will become a better trader overall. But look, choose the first one. I don't care, as long as you do it now, because you don't want to miss what's happening next, right? I won't always give this pre-trade videos, all right? Usually I make this after the breakout, okay, and that's it. It's gone. You can't take it because it broke out. But right now, this is because I love KASPA. I love KASPA lovers. I want you all to come with me, but please join to our community. It will be good for you. You want to position yourself now for the next bull market. What do I mean? You need to position yourself in knowledge, which we give in our community. You need to position yourselves in positions, which I signal to you in our community, and you need to position yourself in mentality, which we do on daily updates. Join now, because if not, you're missing out on the biggest moves that you can have. Why? Because in our community we make money consistently. And you know what, just to make sure that you don't think that I just talk the talk, all right, I'm not BSing over here. Here are some of the past trades from just the last week. This is so 18th of October, Jomo traded, that's me. We took it at 24, all right? Now, right now it's at 33. Boom, all right? Moving forward, MC, this is from the 17th of October. We started a position at 37, almost 38. We added on a 42. It arrived to 56. We took profits into strength. Now it's at 51. Moving forward, INJ above the $10. We took this trade. We were looking at INJ because of the beautiful base. This was an uptrend, the base, the breakout of the base, and it's moving high with all these three take profits. Boom, already hit. And now we're thinking about adding in the position because it's already almost at $13 again. NACA, we see, which is a trade, a mega trade. We're trading since the 33 cents, all right, then the 42 cents, then the 48 cents, adding. Now at the 70 cents, we added at the 78 cents, and now it's at 95 cents, right? You can check it out by yourself. Go to trading, you check the charts, right? I don't just talk the talk. We walk the walk in our community. Oh, this is it. This is the 30 cents we started on NACA. Again, look at it. This is from June 23rd. Is it 22nd of June? This is Jomo Trader. This is me. Our community. Click on the link in the description, right? Listen to me, right? What I did in the beginning, I was trading by myself. I wasn't making any money a decade ago. However, when I tried to invest in myself, right? Investing in myself, I invested a lot of money. I started to understand how to trade. Do yourself a favor, join to like-minded people, and you won't be disappointed. I'm so passionate about it because I know you will benefit by it a lot, and I want to make sure that I am the one that helps you benefit by it a lot. All right, everybody, hope you liked it. Again, like, subscribe, right, and make sure you remember, stay tight, and until next time, no edge, no trade.